90% completed magnetic switching motor, free energy pathway. I want to make something clear. This is not yet a free energy device. It is a magnetic switching motor prototype, and while incomplete, the concept demonstrated here is essential for developing a fully realized free energy system in the future. The electrical control system has not been completed yet. This setup is crafted with exceptional precision. There's absolutely no play or looseness in the mechanism. The sensors precisely detect rotational position and speed, enabling accurate system analysis. This is the detailed view of the optical sensor system. As I move it side to side by hand, I can clearly feel the powerful magnetic resistance at work. Therefore, the structure is designed to optimize magnetic flux paths, resulting in strong reactive forces even with minimal motion. The mechanical structure building was completed except an electrical control system. This is the rear view of the system. This is a manual control test using hand movement. It operated without any mechanical slack. This is a manual powering test, where DC voltage is applied so that the actuator operates with a one-way vector from left to right. In the completed device, pulse waves will be supplied from both sides, but for now, half of the energy is being provided manually by hand at approximate positions to drive the flywheel into rotation. Since the timing is controlled by hand, it is difficult to deliver power at the exact moment with perfect precision. but the intended motion is working well. The operation matched my design perfectly, showing that the device testing was successfully completed. That concludes this test. In the next video, you'll see the fully completed magnetic switching motor, so stay tuned. Thank you for your watching. Please like my video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.